So previously, this is Adam here. So previously we had an APR boost gauge in a previous video that I'll link to.
Detection recording over 10 and event detection
Mm-hmm.
recording 4.
Sorry about that.
GPS
I'll link that in the description. So basically, APR has sent me a replacement boost gauge. Here it is.
Continuous
I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out for a drive, and we'll see what happens. What transpires from that. So that, it's quieter than it used to be, for sure. I'm not unhappy with it. It's a different sound than the old one. It does make a noise, as some people say, which is fine, but the noise is certainly lower, less high pitch. It's a lower tone. So I think I would say with the problem with the last one was, even when music was playing, it was still having some sort of sounds that were not very pleasurable. AC music, you can still hear it. And at night, if I'm driving with no music going at all and I'm just on back roads, just enjoying the car, then for sure, it's very apparent. But this one, the replacement sounds better, so I encourage you guys to go watch the previous video. Give that a listen, and then compare it to this one. And if your boost gauge from ECS, APR, any of those companies that has a manual needle or a real needle sounds this way, then you should take up some sort of a warranty claim if you care that much. I certainly did. Thanks for watching, and I'm glad that APR was able to take care of this so quickly. I bought the unit from New German Performance, and I reached out to APR first with the video. They verified that I should probably reach out to the retailer and get an RMA done. And Charles over at New German Performance is really great about that. The unit was sent by me directly to APR, and then they sent a unit to New German Performance to actually process it back to me. So, bit of annoying. It took about a week and a half to actually get the new unit sent to them, and then a replacement sent back. But overall, happy with it.